Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks. Our first question is a service that allows a user to log into another computer somewhere on the internet. Given options are A. Telnet, B. FTP, C. Email, D. Usenet. Your correct answer is option A. Telnet. So Telnet is the answer. It is a service that enables the user to log into another computer somewhere on the internet. Telnet is a remote login system. Next question. An internet service that allows the user to move a file. Given options are A. FTP, B. Telnet, C. Usenet, D. Time sharing. Your correct answer is option A. FTP. FTP means File Transfer Protocol. FTP allows the user to move a file from one computer to another on the internet. Our next question. TCP stands for option A. Transmission Control Program, B. Transmission Control Protocol, C. Transfer Control Program, D. Transfer Control Protocol. Your correct answer is option B. Transmission Control Protocol. TCP basically allows different networks to interconnect. Our next question. Any computer that can access the server is called A. Web server, B. Web browser, C. User, D. Web client. Your correct answer is option B. Web client. So any computer that has access to the web server is called the web client. Web server is any computer that uses the HTTP protocol, that is hypertext transfer protocol. Our next question. Any system that uses the HTTP protocol is called dash. Given options are A. Web browser, B. Web server, C. www, D. TCP/IP. Your correct answer is option B. Web server.